am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic conflict between the freedom of speech and expression and contempt of court related to cases. First case is in Shri Paradakant Mishra versus Registrar of Odisha and another 1973 talks about the apex court of India observed that the main word is justice and not judge. The main concern is providing justice to all rather than judge. The Contempt of Court Act gives respect to the right to freedom of speech and expression and also the right to justice. The law of contempt of court should be practiced only when there is bad or malified intention to violate the integrity and dignity of the court and not fair or trivial comments made on judicial officers or the judiciary. Second is in Dr. D.C. Saxena versus Honorable Chief Justice of India 1997 talks about the Supreme Court observed that the right to freedom of speech and expression promotes the dignity of the judicial system of the country. This right also plays an important role in the promotion and securing the basic human rights. This right is one of the most essential factors in a democratic country and it is a basic concept for the development of advocacy and all those who are indulged in the legal fraternity. Thank you so much. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.